What's up, weirdos? All right, guys, we got some big news coming out of Junction. Brand new partnership, massive partnership. We're going to get into it. We got some updates from Chain XCN as well, guys. Let's get into it. Let's have a look at what's going on around the market. Kind of a mixed bag right now. Jasmy up 1.1% on the day, down 3.4 on the week, 20.2 on the month, but up 83.4 on the year. We're down one spot in rank to 78, $1.03 billion market cap, and a 42 million in volume. XCN down 2.7%, 17.5 on the week, up 63.8 on the month, and up 1,089 on the year. We're down four spots in rank to 105, $662 million market cap, and 53 million in volume. Swift Coin down 2.5% on the day, down 15.5% on the week, up 124% on the month, and up 617% on the year. Down six spots in rank to 241, a $188 million market cap, and 8 million in volume. Absolutely pathetic. ZVIC down 0.5% on the day, up 92.7 on the week, up 129% on the month, down 8 spots in rank to 307. $135 million market cap, 44 million in volume. Let's go have a look at some of these charts, guys, even though most of them are just continuing to waddle sideways, right? So let's go have a look, see what's going on. Again, we just don't have much volume in the market, guys. Look at this sideways action. It's exactly the same as Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 daily candles in a row of nothing. Just going sideways, guys, going sideways. So what do we do? What do we do when that's the case? We dollar cost average, we stuff our bags, we take advantage of the opportunities that present themselves to us, right? That's not financial advice, guys. You got to do what you got to do, but I know what I'm doing. XCN, let's go have a look over at Onyx Coin. What do we got going on? Same thing, except we're putting in lower highs and lower lows here now, guys. We're kind of trending in a downward structure. We need to get some strength back in here so that we can start to retest this top trend line and break through. But that's just not the case right now, guys. So there is a risk at this point, unless Bitcoin starts to do so, which it is. Bitcoin is doing stuff, right? But unless we start getting some volume back in this market, we could see about 1.5 cents down to this level here, this purple line that we've got, right? We could see that move. So if we do, maybe have some dry powder on the side to take advantage of the situation, right? Swift Coin is exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing, guys. Over on the daily time frame, just sideways. And the more we test this support level, guys, I've said it 100 times now, the more we test this support level that we're at right now, the greater the chances that we are going to see that next leg down, right? Probably somewhere between around 1 cent, 1.5 cents is pretty much exactly where Swift Coin or where XCN could fall to, right? They both could fall to about 1.5 cents, which is prime DCAing positioning, guys. So it's up to you what you want to do, man, but I know what I'm doing. Like I said, my buy and sell alerts get put over on the Patreon, guys, if you want to know exactly what I'm doing. So here we are at another level of resistance, guys. Up here, like I said before, 2021. Now, interestingly enough, down here, 3 days in a row, we failed to break through this resistance, and then the fourth day we broke through down here when we were at 2012, and we rejected off this level once, and then we broke through the next day. So this one here, are we repeating what we did down here up here? Well, we've rejected 2 days in a row off this level. Will we reject again on this daily candle? And then maybe the day after tomorrow, Friday, maybe we do the same thing as we did down here and break to the upside. Got to gather some strength, guys. Got to gather some strength, some momentum, and we'll see what happens, right? All right, so what do we have over on Bitcoin's chart? So Bitcoin holding 96,800, got up to 97,000, almost $400 earlier this evening. Very, very bullish there, guys. Putting in on the daily time frames, we're now putting in, hopefully a higher low and a higher high. We can start working our way up here. But man, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 days of pain. 19 days of sideways, boring, not up, not down, doing absolutely nothing, right? People are getting crazy, right? Now, I remember last year when Jesse was on the channel, we were talking, and Jesse said something that has stuck with me this whole time. And he said that when the market goes sideways and there's no news, there's nothing going on, it's just it creates a void, right? Boring void of sideways. And people tend to fill that void with negativity when nothing is happening, right? And that was the perfect analogy by Jesse. So I always got to give credit where it's due. Jesse definitely, that resonated with me because that's exactly what's happening right now. The only thing negative in crypto on any level, macroeconomic or otherwise, is the sentiment in the market. That's it, man. Everything else is positive. In fact, I'm going to segue into something here before I get into the our favorite altcoins news. We have here, it was tagged in this earlier today from Macro Edge, said the Federal Reserve states that it will wait for inflation to show further progress before resuming rate cuts. So that was from the FOMC meeting minutes earlier today. However, here's where the silver lining comes in. And I've talked about this over the last couple of weeks, guys. The FOMC to potentially slow pace on QT, quantitative tightening, as reserves tighten, Congress nears debt ceiling. So, guys, and I said this about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I said we don't necessarily need quantitative easing to start. A good signal to the markets would be for the Fed to announce that they're going to slow or step away from quantitative tightening. Canada just made that announcement about 2 to 2.5 weeks ago, right? So that in itself would be a signal of sorts, right? A bullish one, that we are moving our way away from QT and slowly segueing over towards QE, right? So very, very positive news. Again, guys, the only thing that's negative in crypto right now is the sentiment in the market. People are filling the void with negativity and FUD, right? They're fudding themselves out of their bags. Not here in this community, guys. We're knocking it out of the park. That's what we're doing. All right, let's get into some of the news. So first, we're going to get into this from Chain, XCN. So they tweeted this out, the importance of blockchain in mental health applications. These guys are into everything, guys. Listen up. Using blockchain technology in the healthcare sector, especially in mental health services, is a significant step towards a better handling of security and personal health information. You could also put Jasmy in that category. Despite the increase in the number of mobile healthcare applications, the issues of data privacy and security are still current. These challenges can be managed by blockchain technology, which is a good solution to protection and confidentiality of data gathered by these apps. It's funny how Chain is talking about Jasmy's use case. That's very, very fascinating. Blockchain technology has multiple uses in mental health applications, from data security to health information validation and overall interaction between patients and healthcare providers. When adoption in mental health applications, when adopted in mental health applications, blockchain can enhance the security of all information processed by such apps. Help build users' trust, and generally create a better environment for managing mental health issues. One significant benefit to blockchain in its ability to protect information effectively in the mental health context, where ensuring patient privacy and data security are crucial, the decentralized structure of blockchain guarantees The patient information, such as therapy session notes, diagnostics, and personal health particulars, are kept safe across the network nodes. This data distribution helps reduce the chances of loss and unauthorized changes. Additionally, blockchain can increase security by using encrypted data, implementing limited access permission, and making it so that only people with cryptographic keys, typically a wallet, such as patients and their healthcare providers, can view medical records. This high level of security is required for earning confidence by guaranteeing details and safeguarding from unauthorized users. That is exactly what Jasmy is doing right now in Japan. Fascinating. The chain is now talking about this, right? In addition, blockchain improves the reliability of data and mental health applications. Once information is written on the blockchain, it can't be altered without the network's consensus. Thus, the data is permanent, which is essential for mental health professionals who work with accurate historical data to make decisions about treatment. One more potential that has not been explored yet is the ability of blockchain to improve coordination and interoperability between the different entities in the healthcare system. Mental health care can involve many professionals, such as psychiatrists, psychologists, and primary care physicians. Blockchain enables a single platform where all the essential health information regarding a patient is stored and can be shared with all the other relevant healthcare professionals involved in the patient's treatment plan. Blockchain technology could also drive advancements in the field of health treatment research by enabling researchers to analyze a wide range of real-world data securely through aggregation and anonymized patient information to pinpoint the trends to develop new therapeutic approaches. It's like they went ahead and read the website for Jasmy's genome. What is it again? Jasmy's slip of the tongue. What's it called again? Their My Genome Guard, where they're working with cancer patients. It's fascinating that how close this is, right? To use the blockchain in healthcare application faces specific hurdles despite its advantages. Smaller developers may be deterred by intricacies and costs involved. Challenges related to scalability and transaction speed could also emerge based on the setup used in the system handling substantial amounts of data. Additionally, healthcare is heavily regulated across various jurisdictions, demanding blockchain solutions comply with stringent laws such as the use of health insurance portability and accessibility. The EU's General Data Protection Regulations. In conclusion, the use of blockchain in mental health applications is on the rise and has such potential. In the course of using this technology, various solutions to challenges have been found, and therefore blockchain could dramatically improve data management in healthcare, in mental health care. Blockchain ensures the sensitive information is protected and that there is a single and easy-to-use system of mental health care by improving the security, privacy, and interoperability of mental health apps. This integration of the latest technology in the healthcare sector is a revolutionary approach to addressing the complex needs of patients with mental illness and ensuring that their information is managed with utmost professionalism. And we don't really need to know the breakdown of chain. We already know that, but it's fascinating. The chain is moving in this direction. Same direction as Jasmy and Junction. Now, is that a threat to Junction and Jasmy? Of course not. Of course not, right? So very, very bullish, guys. That's massive news. What else do we have here? Now, courtesy of Winston, shared this with me earlier. He says, do we have sources? Can we just write something without any sources? This is huge if we do. Check it out, guys. The future of blockchain-enabled governments. While Coldware, ticker Cold, is bringing crypto to the masses, Onyx Coin XCN is revolutionizing how governments interact with blockchain technology. With a focus on compliance, smart contracts for regulation, and secure digital identity solutions, XCN is fast becoming the preferred blockchain for centralized entities looking to adopt centralized frameworks. Recently, a European country announced trials using XCN blockchain for borderless tax payments, marking one of the first instances of large-scale blockchain adoption within government operations. Crypto analysts predict that as governments worldwide seek reliable blockchain integration, XCN could become the first layer 1 network to power national digital currencies. However, XCN is a layer 2, not a layer 1, but whatever. All right, guys, check it out. Breaking news from Junction. Brand new partnership, guys. We got the fries that'll cross your eyes. Check it out, guys. Junction now partnered with AltLayer, guys. Partnership announcement. This happened just a few moments ago. Junction is excited to announce a partnership with AltLayer, a leading roll-up as a service provider. Through this collaboration, Junction and AltLayer will enhance roll-up technology support and drive joint marketing efforts by strengthening interoperability and expanding the blockchain development environment. We aim to provide a more seamless ecosystem for users worldwide. And we will go have a look over at AltLayer. If you don't know what it is, here we go here, guys. AltLayer up 6% on the day, 4 cents, $123 million market cap. So we've got 25% of the supply in circulation, but it's got great tokenomics, 10 billion. That's fantastic. Smart contract platform. It's a layer 2. Binance Labs roll up as a service. Binance launch pool restaking. Very nice. All-time high 11 months ago of 67 cents. You can get it multiple places. It's on Binance, Bybit, MEXC, BitUnX, KuCoin, LBank, to name a few. Uniswap, obviously, and Bitmart, many, many more. Going over to their website. Just want to have a brief look at it, guys. What is AltLayer? AltLayer, a decentralized protocol that facilitates the launch of native and restaked rollups with both optimistic and ZK rollup stacks. So you can go to their website and check it out, guys, if you want more information about what they do. Their ecosystem, what do they have? OP Stack, Optimism, Arbitrum, Polygon, ZK Sync. What else do I know? Celestia, Near Protocol. What else do we have? Do we have anything else of relevance? That OKX Explorer. Wow, there's a lot here. Wow, holy smokes. What else do we have? Anything else of relevance? Injective, obviously. The graph. Lots here, guys. What an ecosystem. Absolutely crazy. Jasmy and Junction have now been added to this ecosystem, guys. Crazy. Crazy. Alchemy Pay. There you go for you Alchemy Pay fans. Singularity. And many, many more. Yeah, what else do we have? Okay. So there you go, guys. Clients in the spotlight, yada, yada, yada. Go check out the website if you want. Massive new partnership, guys. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Bullish news, guys. We just keep bringing you the best and the brightest. So anyway, guys, let me know exactly what you guys think about this new partnership. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Do you care? So let me ask you a question, guys. If I came over to you and I asked you, I said, hey, listen, for 30 days, you could be a member of our community of over 1,800 people, guys. With the chats are buzzing constantly. We've been dropping gems left and right over there, guys. We called Swift, we called Onyx Coin, we called Zbeck, and many, many more. We're actually working on 6 other projects right now that we're accumulating to make that life-changing wealth, guys. We're taking profits from some projects, we're rolling them into others. A few days ago, we did in a live stream over on the Patreon, because we do live streams over there every night as well. On one of our live streams the other night, we did a 204% swing trade in less than an hour. Everybody, the chat was euphoric. It was a fantastic time. While the market is going sideways and it's bloody, we're making money over there, guys. We're stacking up these gems, and they're popping off as we go. So If I asked you if you wanted that opportunity, guys, you wanted that opportunity, and on top of that, you could also book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally, right? And so much more. And all you had to do was buy me a Happy Meal. That's it. Just buy me a Happy Meal. Would you do it? If you had the opportunity to possibly get in on one of these gems, you get in on one of our gems and it hits, all you paid for was a Happy Meal, guys. And if you don't like it, you could leave anytime, right? No, not being locked in or anything like that. Would you take that, guys? Would you do it? Of course you probably would, right? You'd buy me that Happy Meal for that chance? Hell yeah, right? We're making life-changing wealth over there, guys. In the last month, we've helped 28 people hit 7-digit portfolios. 28 in a month, right? And a lot of others have hit high 6 figures. If you can have an opportunity to figure out how to do that, and at the very least, you would learn some things that you could bring forward, which would be valuable to you. But once you get in there, you're not going to want to leave. The community is phenomenal, guys. It's supportive. Everyone's helping each other learn. And I'm not the only one dropping gems over there, guys. Other people are too. So definitely check it out. For the price of a Happy Meal, guys, for this kind of an opportunity, I don't know where you can go. I don't know how you can go wrong. Other content creators are charging between $100 and $1,000, guys. I just want you to buy me a Happy Meal. That's it, man. Right? So check it out, guys. The link is down below. Come and join the family. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. We'll see you guys in the next one.